Hello viewers, this would be a continuation of my previous video on Tomcat installation. Okay, we'll continue from here. So I'm on C drive and then I'll get into program files. And you can find the folder Apache Software Foundation. Okay, this is under C drive and program files. So once I click on this, and I have installed different versions, and this is the latest version 10.0. Now once you get into it, you find different folders, and I have the bin folder. Okay, so Tomcat 10.0, I'll just go back one up, and then I call this Tomcat home folder. This is home folder. Okay, and get into the bin folder, and I find Tomcat 10.exe. I'll simply double. There are two things, Tomcat 10w.exe and 10.exe. So I'll click on 10.exe, and there is a pop-up message. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You just click on yes. Once you do that and you see this, there is a window where a lot of action is happening. Okay, let it do it, all that stuff, and then it says some 4992 milliseconds. So your server, Tomcat server, has started. So once this has come up, you think that your installation is proper. Okay, now let's check whether we are getting it on the browser or not. So I'll start a browser. Okay, my browser is ready, and then I'll simply type in http:// localhost 8080. Remember the port number which we have given, 8080. Okay, so it is supposed to display Tomcat homepage, but instead it is showing up Oracle. So the best way to do is first go for Tomcat and then install Oracle. So I have done the opposite of it. So that is the reason I have. Now I'll go ahead and actually rectify this. So what I will do is I'll get into my settings, and then I'll try to uninstall Oracle software. Okay, and then we'll come back and check what it will display. So I go to apps, obviously you might know this, and then simply look out for your Oracle software and then uninstall. So Oracle, so that is there. So I'm simply uninstalling. Now that we have uninstalled, we'll try to check http:// localhost 8080. That is our port number, and simply press enter. There you go. We have successfully resolved the issue. So we got Apache Tomcat 10.0.1. So remember, this is the local server. We are running our server, which is this is a server running, and we are getting the home page on your local machine. This request is from your local machine. Okay, so we have successfully resolved. This is how you do it. So The steps to do it: if you don't get this particular page and you get something else, simply uninstall that particular software and then try this particular page and you should get it. Thank you so much for watching the video.